Okay, so picture this. You're planning a massive scientific conference. You've got the brilliant minds, the groundbreaking ideas, but finding a space that actually gets the vibe, it's next to impossible. Well, today, we're going to look at how AI is stepping in to fix that for good.
I mean, we've all seen this happen, right? You're an organizer, you find a room that checks all the boxes on paper. Capacity? Check. Amenities? Check. But then you get there, and the feeling is just off. The whole energy of the space is just completely wrong.
And this right here is the perfect example. The expectation, a serious, focused debate. The reality, a tiny workshop rattling around in some giant echoing auditorium. Yeah, the logistics might be correct, but the whole point of the event, the entire experience, just gets totally lost.
So this is what we're calling the conference conundrum. It's that classic problem where the why you're having the event, the whole purpose and atmosphere, gets swallowed up by the boring logistics of how you book it.
And here's the real problem, right? The booking systems we're used to, they only think in numbers. Dates, capacity, square footage. They're like a calculator trying to understand a poem. They just don't get words like atmosphere or prestige or acoustics. It's just not in their vocabulary. So to fix this, we need something way smarter than just another booking tool with better filters. The solution is a totally intelligent ecosystem. And that's where a platform called ConfAI comes into the picture.
So what is an intelligent ecosystem? Well, it's not about matching numbers. It's about understanding meaning. It's an AI that actually gets the context of what you're trying to do and then perfectly matches the content, the physical space, and the whole human experience.
Okay, so that sounds great, but how does it actually work? Let's dive into the intelligent core and see how this AI is really changing the game. All right, look at this. This is how a real person talks, right? A high-stakes debate on medical ethics requiring a solemn atmosphere. Try typing that into a normal search box. The system would just have a meltdown. But for this kind of AI, this is where it really shines. It actually understands the nuance. And the engine making this happen is called the Semantic Matchmaker. It's super simple. Step 1, you just describe what you want in plain English. Step 2, the AI reads through all the venue info looking for the right feeling, not just keywords. And step 3, boom, you get a list of perfect matches, each with a compatibility score. All the guesswork just gone.
But this whole thing is so much more than just a booking tool. The intelligence follows you right into the conference room with something called the chair assistant. I mean, just imagine. AI automatically generates the meeting minutes. There are live timers to keep things moving. The Q&A is smart, so it pushes the most relevant questions to the top. This completely changes the job for the session moderators. They can stop being timekeepers and actually moderate the discussion.
Okay, that's awesome for the folks on stage, but what about everybody else? What about the actual attendees sitting out there in the audience? Well, for them, there's the AI concierge. Think of it like a little digital assistant in your pocket, 24/7. Need to find a good coffee shop nearby for a quick meeting? Done. Forgot the Wi-Fi password for the 10th time? It's got you. It just makes the whole experience so much smoother for guests, and it means the hotel staff can focus on the really important stuff.
And the foundation for all of this is a dynamic marketplace. Now, this is a huge deal. For the venue owners, they can actually price their space based not just on how busy they are, but on the prestige of the event. And for the organizers, they get total transparency and can find the best possible value for their specific needs. It's a win for everybody.
So when you put it all together, you've got the smart matchmaking, the assistant for the chairs, the concierge for attendees, and this dynamic marketplace. What do you get? You get a system where literally everyone comes out ahead.
Let's just spell it out. For the venue owners, more revenue and way smoother operations. For the organizers, they get the best bang for their buck and a whole lot less stress. And for the attendees, the people it's all for, they just get a fantastic, seamless experience from the moment they arrive. And what makes this a real upgrade is that the tech is solid. The AI isn't just some tacked-on feature. It's the actual engine driving the whole thing. It's ready for global events with support for over 6 languages. It's super flexible because it's built in modules. And on top of all that, the interface is modern and just works.
Look, at the end of the day, bringing in a system like ConfAI isn't just about getting new software. It's a fundamental shift. It's about future-proofing your business and changing what a venue is, from just a place that rents out rooms to a real strategic partner in the event's success. And that's a really powerful idea, isn't it? Venues stop being this 4 walls and a roof. They become active partners, helping to ensure the success of the incredible science and research that's happening inside.
So when you boil it all down, it comes back to three simple things. You're going to increase your revenue, you're going to improve satisfaction across the board, and you're going to streamline your operations. It's that straightforward.
So, I'll leave you with this question, and it's for every single venue manager and event organizer listening. The technology isn't science fiction anymore. It's here, and it's already changing everything. The only real question is your venue ready for the intelligent era?